Welcome to the Project Overview page. This is your central hub for managing and monitoring all your projects effortlessly. Each project is visualized as a tile, providing you with a concise snapshot of the most important information at a glance. On each tile, you'll find the project name prominently displayed, accompanied by a brief description that gives you a quick insight into the project's focus. The tile also includes details about the regression test results, ensuring you stay informed about the project's testing status. You can set which regression test results you want to see on the project tile within the project settings, and we will cover that in a separate video. Additionally, the total number of test cases and the success rate are clearly visible on each tile, allowing you to assess the project's health and progress at a glance. Welcome to our project management tutorial. In this segment, we'll explore the next tab, which visualizes projects in a tabular manner. On this page, you'll find a comprehensive view of all the projects within your organization. However, keep in mind that you'll only see the projects that are associated with the currently logged-in user. This ensures that your workspace remains clutter-free and focused on your responsibilities. If you hold organization ownership, you have a broader scope. As a super user, you'll have access to view all projects within the organization, providing you with a bird's-eye view of the entire operation. To streamline your workflow, projects can be easily filtered. Use the text filter to search for specific projects by name or description, or filter based on the project author to see only the projects created by particular team members. Deleting a project is straightforward. Simply click on this icon. Be cautious, though, as this action will delete the entire project along with all its associated items, including test cases, bugs, API tests, and more. Editing project details is just as simple. Click on this button and a side sheet will pop up. Here, you can modify the project's information to keep everything up to date and accurate. Welcome to the User Management page. This section of our platform allows you to manage all aspects of user administration with ease. Similar to the project page, you can search for specific users and apply various filters to narrow down your search results using the controls available here. This ensures you can quickly find and manage the users you need. If you need to remove a user from the system, simply use the Delete button located here. To edit the details of a user, click on the Edit button. This will allow you to update information such as their role, contact information, and other pertinent details. When you are editing an existing user or creating a new one, you can also assign them to specific projects. This can be done easily with this Project Assignment button. You have the flexibility to assign a user to one or multiple projects based on your requirements. Additionally, users can be assigned different permission groups for the same project or across different projects. It is important to note that assigning a permission group is mandatory when a user is assigned to a project. This ensures that they have the appropriate access and permissions needed to perform their tasks effectively. By utilizing these features, you can manage your team efficiently and ensure that all users have the appropriate access to the resources they need. Welcome to Permission Groups page. On this page, you can manage all your permission groups. Each project can have one or more permission groups, which define the operations allowed for the logged-in user. Permission groups are crucial for controlling user rights with precision. With Smart Tester, you can finely control these permissions to ensure that each user has access only to the features they need. You can use the search and filter controls to easily find and manage specific permission groups. If you need to delete a permission group, simply use the designated button. Typically, each plugin within Smart Tester can be controlled at 4 levels: View, Create, Edit, and Delete. If the View permission is disabled, the user will not be able to see the plugin at all. The Create permission allows users to create new objects within the plugin. As the name suggests, edit and delete permissions control whether users can edit or delete objects within the plugin. This comprehensive control system ensures that each user's access is tailored to their specific role and needs within the project.